Hey guys, Aaron Aardvark Adventure Rides, out on a ride with Peter today. Yeah, so we're heading to Eildon today. Peter's going to continue on from there, do some camping, and I'm going to head back home. I'm just doing the day trip with him. And as you can see, it's an absolutely beautiful day for it. It will get quite warm, but at the moment it's very nice. Right out, I'll see you when I'm up there in the mountains. Yeah, bloody hell. Oh, well, good job on that. It's one thing I don't see too much of in this area is burnout cars and rubbish. It's kept very good. The Vic Parks keep the tracks clear. Fallen trees get cleared up very quickly. I wonder where that goes. I wonder where that goes. I'll have to suss them out one day. Well, that's we're on Yellow Dindy Road. This is a fairly wide, smooth road. It does have some deep, loose gravel in it though. Oh, and some rocky corners. Yeah, look at that, it's beautiful. So that's Devil's Staircase up that way. That's a good fun track, it's nothing too hard. It's nice and narrow, lots of bloody dips and stuff to go over. I've lost Peter already. I probably should tell you what's going on there. Yeah, we're on a dirt road. We went up a little side track. There's a nice view there, and this is the entrance to some loose gravel and a bit of a ridge. And Peter's front tyre went on him, and he dropped it. He come down on his hand and hurt his elbow, so he's in a bit of pain at the moment. Yeah, like I said to him, sometimes you keep riding and it gets better, it loosens up and it's fine. Other times it'll just get worse and worse, so unfortunately I think it's starting to stiffen up on him. So he is going away. He is planning on camping tonight, so I hope he's alright for it. But I don't want to ruin his trip within the first half hour.
In 200 metres, slight right to stay on Yellow Dindy Road. Take the next right to stay on Yellow Dindy Road.
Yeah, it's just one of those things that can happen to anyone. You just hit a ridge at the wrong angle.
Continue on Yellow Dindy Road for 3 kilometres.
What was I saying? Yeah, it's just one of those things that can happen to anyone. Very easy to do. You just hit a ridge just at slightly the wrong angle, hit a soft spot, whatever, and the front wheel just goes on you. He's only going very slow, luckily. He actually bent his brake lever when he dropped the bike, and he said it feels better now. So that's a bit weird, but yeah, if that works for him, that's good. Oh yeah, little side project here. I'm going to attempt this hill. This is the hill you wanted to do, Delash. It was a bit wet and slippery looking then, looks a bit better now. I'm on newer tyres. Rightio, I'm just leaving Eildon now. I've left Peter injured on a park bench, so hopefully the birds don't get to him tonight. Thanks a lot for watching, and I'll see you on the next one.